Hold up. Now, you're telling me the amount of SHIB supply is held by whales becoming alarming? I've been doing videos of a Shiba Inu and whales buying large supplies in buckets, and now it's starting to come out here. Let's break this down right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm just going to highlight this part right here. This part right here. 80% of the total supply of Shiba Inu tokens, SHIB, is concentrated in the hands of large investors. So they basically manage and controlling the supply, at least most of it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You're watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Let's go. Now, they are considered to be those whose asset position accounts for more than 1% of the total supply and referred as whales. Whales. Now, I'm going to highlight this part right here. 2%. No, the top 100%. No, the top 100 SHIB holders are responsible for 81.41% of the total supply, while the top 10 whales hold positions at 62.72%. So the top 10 whales in Shiba hold 62.72%, guys. That's most of the supply. It's also important to clarify that 41% of the total supply of the Shiba Inu token is on a dead address designated for SHIB burning. So that's not controlled by anybody. That is designated for a dead wallet for burning purposes. So 41% is a lot, but just to let you know. But this is definitely alarming right here. So SHIB concentration in the hands of investors from the top 10 to the top 100 has been declining over the past month. It has. Now, the number of SHIB holders have been growing since the beginning of December, which that indicate or could indicate that new retail investors are entering the asset. Yes, they really are though. But I've done a couple of videos of a SHIB, and I did notice that small whales, some sharks, or just a small investors is entering into the space and are buying SHIB. But the whale still controls it. But to me, I don't think SHIB is going anywhere. I'm hoping to balance it off a little bit more of a balance with large investors, mid investors, and small investors. We'll just have to wait and see. Shiba Inu is still a beast in the crypto market. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.